Just bought the cheapest 7 Series V12 in Germany. Yeah, I know, condition is not so great, but there is one thing that's really great about this car, and that's rust free. I don't need to do welding, I don't need to change stuff underneath, I don't have to change door panels or stuff like that. No rust. That's the reason why I'm going to buy this car. There is some stuff like this here. Doors are not so nice painted, but yeah, overall it's going to be repainted completely, and that's the car where I'm going to put M73 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Engine is not running because fuel pumps are out. The gas tank is pretty bad, but that's the first thing I'm going to do today. It's going to try to start this car rust free. Most important thing, you are not going to find rust free E32 in Germany. No way. So this is the biggest problem. It's not going to work. But anyway, clean up and see if he's going to fire up. So I paid this car 1,750 euros. Yeah, no, all of you are thinking, yeah, bad condition. Yeah, it is, but there is no rust. And this is going to be something like a race car. Right now I'm alone, and I drove this trailer direct on a car jack because the rear tire is dead, and could not push this thing alone. This is almost 2 tons, and that's the way how am I going to load it up from a trailer. Now I'm gonna connect fuel pumps and pour it in some gas because of rust in gas tank. There's no way to do it somehow together, and we'll see what happens. Fuel pump is in fuel. Oh fuck, I need to connect this fucking jack somehow. The guy who sold me this car, he knows only one thing, that the car runs on some start spray shit and the engine would run. So anyway, I'm gonna check oil and water and let's give it a try after 16 less time on the road. 6 years. We have some oil on maximum. That's great. Transmission has enough oil. That's great. Water. Let's check water. This is probably empty. Aries M70 is empty. Oh yeah. They are all empty. I would say that's enough water for now. Time to rock and roll. Need to check if engine is turning. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's great. EML is out. Fuel pumps. I don't hear them working. Only 1000 codes. Let's give it a try. Nothing. Motherfucker is actually working. After 6 years, just like that. Unbelievable. This is just unbelievable. I need to shut it off quickly. Great! We have some leakage down there. After 6 years, just like that. Unbelievable. I just don't believe that. I forgot to put fuel inside. Funny, but it's working. Wow. Look at that. This piece of shit. Nitro. Wow. This is something that's going to out as soon as possible. Yeah. See, perfectly mounted. Yeah. We do have wheel spin. Some mileage on it. Oh, great. This is just unbelievable.